Don't you ever just have one of those days where you just gotta cut your muffler off? Dumbasses.
Hey, backing up to the left.
Ling long?
Oh, ling long.
Is that your clutch? I mean, I got some forward gears, but it's coming down. 100,000! Oh shit, I gotta adjust that beer. Oh, he gave out his name. Hopefully this guy will not fuck me over. Better fucking make it. Oh, it might be this guy's car.
Is that just a tire rubbing?
Suburban's in good hands. A new transmission, baby. Just following my dad. Does feel good. No shift flare, no nothing. Reverse is really strong. Feels great. Anyways, yeah, I'll just, if it makes it home, that's good. I got a warranty on it. So far, so good. Put about 430 miles on it. Feels pretty good. Got the burb back. And also I had the yellow truck plugged into the block heater and it worked. But door handle froze shut and I took a hammer to it and that was a mistake. Need to get a new door handle. But Suburban's nice. Runs and drives. And that's all I have to say. Reverse is perfect. I mean, it's a really solid truck now. Another thing I went to the junkyard, and well, I've been wanting to. Yeah, I know when I fixed this, I pulled it out and put some filler on it where it got jackknifed, and I did the best I could, but it just looked so crappy and kept annoying me. And also, like, there's this down here, though you can see it's high where the weld was. I really want to make this thing nice, so got that. Got this from the junkyard, cut this lower section quarter out of another truck, and you might think, hey, it's going to be rusty too. Oh, they already fixed it. And that's a patch panel right there. Oh man, this was a bitch to get off. You can see where they spot welded it and just put some filler over it. That's pretty much the quality of body work they do around here. Pretty shitty. Well, it's okay, it's not that bad, but and you can see the previous repair where they filled it with Bondo at one point, but they just slapped it right over all the rusted metal. I mean, that's the quality that we're dealing with around here in Illinois. I'm gonna get over here because I'm gonna get a new section for that over there. I might not. It's not too bad. I didn't put it in too bad, but you can see it's kind of low there. Maybe I'll build it up, maybe, and I might just ignore it, or I might just get I might get a new panel. And you can see where it's coming through here. Which kind of sucks. I basically was bubbling there before, and what I did, I just knocked it down, and got my welder and filled it with weld. Yeah, when I said I knocked it down, you probably thought I was going to say just schmoot some filler, but no, I filled it with weld and then sprayed some rust reformer, and yeah, it's rusting again, obviously. So I got to go make a little patch there. This door, I'm going to fix that door up a bit, pull it out, because I was going to get another door, but it turns out you have to get with the Suburbans. Well, there might not be. I might be able to convert it over and stuff, but since this is crank windows, I've heard it's a pain in the ass to convert a power door to crank windows, and Suburbans with crank windows are not very common. Let me get a new door here, because I just schmooed some. Well, I didn't even weld it. What I did, I just had a piece of metal, kind of put it in there, kind of knocked out the rust, put a little piece of metal in there, and then and I did tack it in, and then just schmooed some filler over it. And then on the hood, I just plugged that hole, schmoot it, and then do the color. So I'm gonna get a new hood. The next thing, this rocker's pretty good, except for there. So I'll just sort of kind of fix that right there. I'll cut form a piece, but this rocker, yeah, that's bad. And I know the bottoms of the doors are kind of going. I'm just gonna put some rust reformer on there and pack them. I don't care that much with it. I want to repaint this thing, totally repaint it. Sand it down. You can see because clear coat's peeling. It's starting to peel in areas. Starting to peel on the roof. So I just want to do a full paint job on it. I might do a color change. I'm not... Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a color change. Yeah. Could be nice. I want to paint it white or black or something like that. Maybe I'll keep it blue. I don't know. It is a pretty blue, but I would love white. I just like white with on these Suburbans. But yeah, and also I'm gonna block sand the hell out of it. I'm gonna do a lot of block sanding, and I really want this to be nice and smooth. Though I'm gonna be using pretty cheap paint. It's well, the prep work is kind of everything with that. And that doesn't cost that much. It's just time, pretty much. Yeah, so I got a couple things to do, but it made it. It was $1,500 in all, $1,526. And he actually, I was having that driveline vibration. Well, I had a U joint. My rear U joint was going away. So yeah, and he replaced that for me. So that's good. So we're all good now. Yep. I'll talk to you guys later.